Hey, I'm Roxie Bustamante. I'm a reporter for KENS 5 Eyewitness News at 10. And a lot of people ask me about the lipstick that I wear, so I'm gonna try a couple of things. And if you're a first timer and wanna see what other people do to really make their lips pop, I'll be kind of going through a guide with that. And then also, if you like to see kind of the long wear and lip stains that I wear for 12 to 16 hours, I will also be showing that. So this is a little starter kit that I got at Sephora. It's with HUDA Beauty, and it's gonna show you exactly how to line your lips and what you need to do to kind of contour with two of their most popular lip stains. And this one will last, with their lip contour and mini liquid mattes, this would last probably about 10 hours, so pretty much your entire work shift. So you'll start lining your lips, and you want to blend them just a little bit in, or blend the lines a little bit into your lips, so that way when you do put on the lip stain, it kind of all just looks like one consistency instead of a lip liner and then a lip stain. Let them dry. I know that I kind of pouted my lips together, but as soon as it dries, that's when you'll start seeing the contour. You don't want to like smush it, because then of course it defeats the whole purpose of doing this 3-step process. You don't want it all to like end up being one color. So when I'm getting TV ready every single day, I do my entire face, and my lips are the last thing that I do. Now, a lot of people, a lot of viewers have actually reached out to me asking me, what colors do I use? What kind of lip stains do I use? Now, for lip stains, they're gonna be the ones that once they dry, they're gonna be on your lips for at least 12 hours, or they should be if it's a good brand. If it doesn't, don't use that brand again. So I always have Selena MAC lipstick in my purse, and this is one of my favorite reds. Like I said, red is my signature, so I'm just gonna show you what a regular lipstick looks like without lining my lips. All I do is start in the middle of my lips, and I follow the line of my lips. And again, I'm not using a lip liner because typically I don't. If I'm live on breaking news, I only have a couple of seconds, so this is kind of my always go-to. So the difference between a lipstick and a lip stain is a lipstick is just gonna be kind of what you regularly go to, and it's gonna probably last just a couple of hours. It does not pass the taco or kissing test that I like to put my lip stains on, so if you bite into your taco, you're definitely gonna see the lipstick on there. Now a lip stain, once it dries, it should pass the taco and kissing test where it doesn't transfer onto whatever you're eating or whomever you're kissing. What I also like to do is sometimes mix up my lip stains to make kind of a contour color, or sometimes mix just a regular lipstick with it, because then I can create my own lipstick color, which is hard to explain when someone asks me just straight up, what am I wearing? Technically, it can be 3 different brands at once. So this is just gonna be a regular lipstick that I have, and I'm just gonna blend it in. Okay, that should do it. So that's the end of my TV Ready tutorial. You can find more on our KENS 5 YouTube channel. Just be sure to subscribe, and we'll definitely have more tutorials for everything you need to know about beauty.